Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. If you're looking for something a little bit different to do with dried cranberries, I have some ideas here for you, some suggested flavor combinations that are known to work well with dried cranberries. First of all, mix your dried cranberries with a grain and nut. Now that's a broad spectrum category there. Your grain could be couscous, such as wheat, oats, quinoa, or wild rice, and the nuts could be almonds, pecans, pistachios, or even walnuts. So a specific combination of that would be mixing dried cranberries with pecans and wild rice would be really good, or walnuts and wild rice. You could also mix dried cranberries with oats and vanilla, or mix dried cranberries with orange zest and wild rice. That really sounds a great way to add some zing and a little bit of brightness to that wild rice. Or you could mix dried cranberries with pears and pecans. That sounds like a refreshing combination to me with some crunch as well. Well, I do hope this helps you out. Let me know if you have other ideas that you like to do with dried cranberries. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.